cookies? I do. So today I want to show you how to make the best oatmeal cookies. But I'm also going to show you how to play with kids while doing them. So let's see what ingredients we need. You will need 1 cup of butter, but make sure to take it out at least a couple hours before you start baking so your kids can cut it. You're also gonna need some raisins and you're also gonna need some flour. Also, don't forget to preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. So for this recipe you can use all-purpose flour, but you can also use gluten-free. Free gluten-free flour. You're also gonna need 2 eggs, your favorite nuts, and if you're allergic, don't add them. Half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3 cups of oatmeal, and 2 cups of brown sugar. And you can use regular sugar. Brown sugar just makes them more chewy and adds a bit extra flavor. First, I let my children unwrap the butter and then use one of those safety kids' knives to cut the butter into pieces. First, put the butter in the mixer and add the 2 cups of brown sugar. You can let your kids do the work, so they can put the butter and the brown sugar into the mixer. And then slowly start to mix butter with sugar. To this I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And again, let it mix for a minute. And then I'm gonna slowly add eggs, 1 by 1. So what you can do is let your kids crack the eggs and also put them inside of the mixture. In a separate bowl you want to mix together flour, and again, let your children do that. Whoops. They usually fight over which one will add which. The baking soda, and I just grab a pinch of salt. And then mix it up. So the only thing you need to do is let your kids use a spoon and add with a spoon, 1 by 1, the flour mixture into our butter. Finally, when the butter is mixed well with flour, add the oatmeal, and this is a good way to teach your kids some Polish words. So, płatki owsiane. Wiki, powtórzysz? Płatki owsiane.
Płatki owsiane.
Next, add the raisins and the nuts and mix everything. Again, your kids will love to add them. And here it is, the butter. It's sticky and it's absolutely perfect. I love to eat that, my kids too. So next thing you want to do is roll them into balls. This is a perfect way to teach your younger kids a bit of fine motor skills and rolling a ball in 2 hands. And put them in the oven for 300 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. So if you like your cookies less chewy and more crunchy, those are still quite soft, just put them for a bit longer. So instead of 10 to 12 minutes, keep them, for example, for 13 and 14 minutes. Be crunchy. Okay, still chewy inside. Perfect. And I love the nuts and the raisins inside of them. Remember, your kids also will help you clean up. Just put them in front of the sink and let them play in the water a bit. Thank you for being with me today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this movie. Please give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing and sharing that video. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye!